When working with polymer clay, there are a lot of tips out there. But today, I'm going to show you my 5 top tips. And to help inspire you with your own creations, here are a few of my favorite polymer clay designs, including earrings, necklaces, and more. I'm Elaine. I'm a jewelry designer and a polymer clay artist here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. I believe these 5 tips will be useful when you're working with polymer clay.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Baby wipes. Baby wipes. I use these a lot in wiping my hands clean before switching colors of clay, so as not to transfer colors, especially when you're using white. Cleaning the tools before switching colors is a good idea as well, and it's important because baby wipes are easy and gentle on your hands. Cornstarch. Dipping clay cutters into cornstarch will prevent it from sticking to clay. Apply cornstarch to molds, and it helps keep its pattern. Another tip, you can apply a light coating on pieces that require more baking time to help prevent it from burning. Rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is great for cleaning up mistakes on clay by applying and wiping with a Q-tip. It's a great cleaner that dries quickly for your clay tools. Clean work area. Keep a clean work surface is very important because, as you know, everything sticks to clay. Using baby wipes and rubbing alcohol will take care of that clay residue. Do not use any cleaners that are harsh or oily, as they can disrupt the clay structure or performance. Clay storage. Clay storage is very important. I find these 3x3 tight-lip bags the perfect size for polymer clay bars. I also have an organizer like this one at home in my own craft room. The clay fits perfectly, and the drawers are clear for great organization. Using these 5 tips will make your crafting with clay clean and organized. Links to the products shown in this video are in the description box below. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to sign up for our email newsletter so you don't miss any of our sales or upcoming events. Until the next time, we'll see you soon.